What are you doing there, Avery? What's happening?
Cole moved it.
Cole moved the chair from the table all the way to there?
Yeah.
Is he pushing it?
Yeah. Not yet. Look, now he's pushing it. Whoa.
Is your brother strong?
I'm stronger than Cole. Stronger than Cole. I can pick up heavy things. Boom. Let me
Can you get him a bib? Because he didn't wet his shirt.